In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk assign tasks to users in Goodday. If you're managing projects with lots of small tasks, assigning them one by one can be really time consuming. Bulk assigning lets you update several tasks at once, so you can keep your team organized with just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly assign a group of tasks to the right people. First, start by opening Goodday and selecting the project where your tasks are located. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or area where that project lives, especially if you work across multiple teams or clients. Once you're on the main project screen, you should see a list of tasks for that project. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right board or view so you don't accidentally edit the wrong set of tasks. Next, you're going to choose which tasks you want to assign. To do that, look for the small checkbox beside each task. Click on the checkbox next to the first task you want to include. After you select the first one, you can continue clicking the checkboxes beside any other tasks you'd like to assign in bulk. You can pick just a few or a long list, depending on what you need. If your project is large, it can help to filter or sort your tasks first, so that only relevant items appear before you start selecting them. Once you've selected all the tasks you want, look for the Assign to option, usually found in the toolbar or action menu that appears when tasks are selected. Go ahead and click on Assign to. This will open a menu or panel that lets you choose the user or users who should receive these tasks. From here, simply select the appropriate person or people from your user list. Goodday will apply this assignment to every task you checked earlier. Before you move on, quickly review the list of selected tasks, just to ensure everything looks correct. This can prevent assigning tasks to the wrong teammate or overloading someone with too much work. After confirming, your changes are saved and all those tasks are now assigned in bulk. That's all there is to it. Open the project, select the tasks using the checkboxes, and use Assign to in order to bulk assign them to the right users.